Welcome to our channel EasyVTech. This is Srijna. In the last session, I had discussed about previous Infytq questions. In this session also, I will continue that questions. Let's start. So, first of all, you have to read the description. After that, you have to check what is the input values and what is the output value. Okay, there is a jar full of candies for sale at a mall counter. Jar has the capacity N. That is, jar can contain maximum N candies when jar is full. At any point of time, okay, jar can have M number of candies where M less than N. Candies are served to the customer. Jar is never remain empty as when last K candies are left. Let's see here. It is a point. Jar is never remain empty as when last K candies are left. Jar is refilled with new candies in such a way that jar get full. Okay. Write a code to implement above scenario. Display jar at counter with available number of candies. Input should be the number of candies one customer can order at point of time. Okay. Update the jar after each purchase and display jar at counter. Okay. Output should give number of candies sold and updated number of candies in jar. Okay. If input is more than candies in jar, return invalid. Okay. Let's see here. It is n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 where n is a number of candies available. Okay. So here we have to implement by using n value and k value. N value, k value. So n is a maximum number candies present in the jar. N is equal to 10 where n is the number of candies available. K less than or equal to 5 where k is the number of minimum candies that must be inside jar. Okay, so inside jar must be contains either less number of means 5 less than 5. Okay, k less than 5 where k is the number of minimum candies that must be inside the jar ever. Okay. Okay, for example, I'm giving input value is 3. So actually the jar contains how many candies? 10 candies. So here I'm giving input value is 3. So how many candies are there in remaining jar? 7. So the number of candies sold 3, number of candies available 7. Okay. If I'm giving input value is 0, input value is 0. So output is invalid. Must and should you have to give a number. Okay, a number in between 0 to 10. Okay, 0 to 10. But minimum number of how many minimum numbers there is a k value that is nothing but minimum where k is the number of minimum candies that must be inside a jar. Let's write a code for this. Let's write code for this. Okay. First of all, let's see here. See here, number of candies available. Number of candies available. I'm taking a variable name as n. N is equal to 10. Okay. So I have to give an input value that is nothing but either 3, 2 like this. Okay. Number of candies. Number of candies is equal to int of input of int of input of. Okay, after that, so the candies range must be, so because in jar must and should either where k is the number of minimum candies that must be inside jar. That's why we have to take a range of 1 to 6. We have to give here the range of number 1 to 6. If number of candies in range, if the number of candies either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if the number, I will enter a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The condition is true because the minimum number of candies inside jar is 5. That's why I have to enter remaining 5 numbers. That is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever I will enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number, then these if condition is true, then it will enter into the block. Okay. What it should done? Number of candies sold. Okay, let's see here. Number of, in capital letter, number of caps lock, number of candies sold. Number of candies sold. What is that? 3 is the answer. Actually 3, what I entered here. Okay. After that, number of candies available. Okay. Print number of candies available. How we can calculate it? So capital N minus number of candies. Okay, capital N is the 10. I will enter number of candies is 3. The remaining candies is 7. If I will enter in between, I will not enter in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The if condition is false, automatically it will goes for else block. In else block, what is the answer? Invalid input. Number of candies left 10. Print invalid input. The next one is print number of candies left. Okay, the answer is N, capital N. Let's execute this program. So example, I'm executing this program. So first of all, what I have to give? 3. Number of candies sold 3. Number of candies available 7. Number of candies sold 3. Number of candies available 7. Okay. So let's check test case 2. So here test case 2, the input value is 0. Here I am giving 0. Invalid input. Number of candies left 10. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Let's move on to the next program. Okay. Fully automatic vending machine dispenses your coupon. Okay, not coupon. Okay, just press a button. A vending machine can serve range of products as follows. So it is a vending machine that can serve the following menu. That is nothing but coffee. Coffee contains 3 menu, and next tea contains 8. Soups contains 4. Beverages contains 3. Okay. So what we have to do now? Write a program to take input for main menu. Okay. And submenu. And display name of the submenu selected. And display if the name of the submenu selected in the following format. Enter first letter to select main menu. Okay. So welcome to CACD, enjoyable. Okay. So this is the first example test case. So here, let's see here. So here it is a main menu. It is a main menu. In main menu, it is main menu and it is a sub menu. Okay. So coffee contains 3 sub menus. Coffee is a main menu and tea is a main menu. In sub menu contains 8 sub menus. Tea contains 8 sub menus. Soup is a main menu. Soups contains 4 sub menus. Beverages is a main menu. It contains 3 sub menus like this. Okay. First of all, I will enter main menu as well as sub menu. So what is the main menu? Starting letters, that is nothing but C, T, S. C, T, S, B. If I enter either C, either T, either S, either B, the condition is true. Okay. Then it will move on to the sub menu. So it will move on to the sub menu. Okay. And display the name. If I entered, if I will enter. So first of all, I will select coffee. Okay. So coffee. So first of all, the main menu is C. Then I will enter 2. So it will display cappuccino coffee. If I enter 10, there is no 10 submenu. Automatically it will display invalid like this. So C1. Espresso coffee. Okay. C is a coffee menu, main menu. 1 is a sub menu. Welcome to CCD. Enjoy your espresso coffee. Okay. If I am giving tea means tea. Okay. The sub menu contains only 8 sub menus, but here I am giving 9. Okay. Invalid output. So okay, let's perform coding for this. Okay, first of all, I have to take these entire menu and sub menu into a list. Okay. Let's take a menu. Menu is equal to list. In list, first one. First sub menu, that is nothing but coffee, latte coffee. Okay. The first sub menu, it is a first sub menu. Just next I am taking second sub menu. First of all, I am copying this message into notepad. Just remove cardamom tea, masala tea, lemon tea, green tea, next organic tea, Darjeeling. Let's copy this code into submenu. This is the second submenu. Okay. This is the second submenu. What is that? Plain tea. After that, Assam tea. After that, ginger tea. After that, cardamom tea. After that, masala tea. Then lemon tea. Green tea. Just I click on enter. Green tea. Next, organic Darjeeling tea. This is the second submenu. Then move for the third submenu, hot, third submenu, and third submenu, hot and sour soup, veg corn soup, next tomato soup, spicy tomato soup. Second one is executed. Sorry. This is the third submenu. Next, I am taking another menu. Just you have to perform comma in between submenu. Again, I am taking another menu. Okay. In this submenu, hot chocolate drink, badam pista drink. Hot chocolate drink, badam drink, badam pista drink. Okay. Okay. Just here, I'm printing this menu. I'm printing this menu. Print menu. Okay. Let's print this. Okay. This menu is executed successfully. After what we have to do here? After what we have to do? Let's check this. So, first of all, we have to upload an input. So, that is nothing but main menu. So, that is nothing but main menu. So, I am taking m is equal to input of. M is equal to input of. Okay. If m is equal to c, means it is a coffee. Or if m is equal to next one is t. Okay. Or next one m is equal to soup s. Next one, or m is equal to beverages b. Okay. If we enter either c, either t, either s, either b, okay, it will valid. For example, I writing here pass. Either else it is not valid, then what it will print? Invalid. Okay. Invalid output. Then it will print invalid output. Let's copy this. Print invalid output. Invalid output. Okay. If I entered either C, either T, either S, either D. Okay. So then if I entered if M is equal to C, what will happen? If M is equal to C, then Then so if M is equal to C, then you have to enter submenu. Okay, then you have to enter submenu. So submenu is equal to input of. Submenu is equal to input of. Okay, if these submenu means coffee submenu either 1, 2, 3. Coffee contains only 3 submenu parts. Okay, either 1, 2, 3 means then you have to write again another if condition. Submenu if submenu in range of 3, range of 3, what will happen? It is true. Okay, it is true. Then what it's print? First of all, it have to print welcome to CCD. Print welcome to CCD. Next, what is the next one? What is the next print? Print enjoy your espresso coffee. If I will enter one, enjoy your espresso coffee. Espresso coffee present in menu. Okay, so in menu, so menu of 0 means coffee. Menu of 0 means coffee. Menu of 1 means tea. Menu of 2 means soup. Menu of 3 means beverages. So menu of 0. So 0. So if I am giving 1, espresso coffee is the answer. But espresso coffee present in menu of 0. So what you should do? Menu of 0 of submenu of 0. Menu of 0, submenu of -1. Okay, menu of 0, submenu of -1 means I will enter submenu is 1. 1 minus 1, the answer is 0. Menu of 0, then the answer is espresso coffee. If I entered the range not 1, 2, 3 means 0, 1, 2, 3. So the range is 0. Okay. Then it will move on to the else block. Print invalid output. Print invalid output. Let's execute this first. After that, I will write for tea, soup, and beverages. Okay, not if here. Okay, here I am writing C. 1. Invalid input. Okay, it will generate invalid input by submenu in range of 3. Welcome to CCD. Submenu is 1. 1 minus 1. If submenu int of input of, actually you have to take here int of input of, because submenu, okay, it is an integer value. Then see here C1. Okay, so the code is executed. Enjoy your espresso coffee. Okay, espresso coffee. Next you have to write code for which one? T. If m is equal to t. Okay, if m is equal to t, then what will happen? Then you have to enter submenu. What is the submenu? Int of, you have to take submenu in integer format. Either we will get an error. You already seen that. Okay, so int of input of, if submenu in range of. Okay, what is the range of submenu? T submenu. T is 8. Then you have to write here 8. Then you have to write here 8. Then print, it is the print, welcome to CCD, enjoy your. So what is the T menu? 1. Okay, 1 of submenu of -1. Okay, either you have to put else block, else print invalid output, print invalid output. Okay, so again you have to take if condition, that is nothing but if m is equal to what is that? Yes. If m is equal to yes, then you have to enter submenu is equal to int of input of, okay, if submenu in range of, how many soups are there? There are 4 soups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 soups. Then you have to enter 4. Let's print these statements. Welcome to CCD. Welcome to CCD. And what is the menu of soups? So menu of 2 of submenu -1. Either we will move on else block, else print invalid output, Okay, let's take another if block. What is that? If m is equal to b, if m is equal to b. Okay, if m is equal to b, what is the submenu? Submenu is equal to int of input of, how many beverages are there in submenu? There are 3. I think 3. Yes, 3. Okay, if submenu in range of 3, if submenu range of 3, okay, what will happen? Print, enter CCD, enjoy your, what is the menu? 3 of submenu -1. Okay, either else print invalid output, Okay, so this is about entire program. Okay, let's execute this. Okay, here now I am selecting a tea. What is that? Masala tea. The main menu is tea, submenu is 5. Main menu is tea, submenu is 5. So masala tea is the answer. Okay, fine. Okay, this is the entire example program. Okay, so this is the entire example program for vending machine, automatic vending machine. Okay, so I will tell remaining example programs in next session. Okay, please watch our videos regularly. If you have any doubts, please post on comment section. Okay, thanks for watching.